What up, YouTube? It's your man, Chief Benson, back with another video. I actually created this video, started doing this video the other day, but for some reason my camera, I didn't deal with it, so I'm still working with this phone. So the screen, the video looked tiny, but I'm back with another video. I added another set of lights to my car. This should be the final set of lights. That's what I'm adding to my car. So I'm going to show y'all right now what I've added. I'm at work right now, so I can't really do a light show video, but it's coming tonight. But as you can see, I have added another light bar. I have added sorry, I'm back. But yeah, I got the, of course, you know they're from Speedtech. The Speedtech Virtue 4 in green, amber and green. But yeah, this is a quick video. Figure that out. But yeah, they're on, they're wired. I will do the nighttime video. So I'm going to do the nighttime video. And you know what? Let's see if we can go ahead and do some magical stuff and make the sun, so we can bring the sun down. We're going to do it. Let's try it. And 3, 2, 1, go. We're back. All right. The snap kind of took off, but we found it's dark. All right. So now let's show you what it look like, and then I'm gonna do with all the lights. Stay tuned. All right. So what it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this pattern. I don't know. I think I might keep that pattern. But that's, you know, my hyper flash with the light bar and all the auxiliaries. Now I'm gonna show you the slow burn. All right, that's the side to side wig wag. All right, let's do all the lights. Hyper mode. All right, this is what it's looking like. On camera, it kind of looks like it's clashing with each other, but in real view, real time view, they're not clashing. So they don't look like they're clashing. But I'm not sure if I want to keep that pattern. But everything is looking good. That is the last set of lights I'm going to put on this car. I actually got a lot of lights on this car. So, what do y'all think, YouTube? Every light on here is made by, other than the spotlight down there, every light on this car is made by Speedtech. So shout out to Speedtech. And they are bright. Those lights are bright. It's just ridiculous how bright they are. But yeah, YouTube, I had to show y'all the new addition. My Speedtech Virtue 4 linear in amber and green. Also, let me show you the wig wag system. This is the hyper mode, what we call mode code 3. So let me show you with the wig wags, just a half bar. So yeah, This will be my just sitting mode, but I need lights flashing. As you see, I won't have nothing on but the rooftop light bar. No Z's on. No Virtues. Just a full-size light bar. And the Virtue 4s. So there it is, YouTube. My complete setup, my complete lighting setup on my 2008 Ford Crown Victoria P71. As you can see, I have the 47-inch K-Force full-size light bar, amber green TIR. Then I have the Z6s. The top light bar auxiliary lights are the Z6s, amber green linear. The bottom bar is the Virtue 4, amber green linear. In the rear quarter window, Speedtech Virtue 1s, amber green linear. The rear window, another set of Speedtech Virtue 1s, amber green linear. And on my trunk lid, Speedtech Z12s, linear, amber green. So YouTube, I hope y'all liking it. Give a big shout out to Speedtech. I love y'all products. I will continue to use Speedtech lights on all my cars. So, big shout out to Speedtech. Hopefully we can work out some deal, work a contract where we, because all my cars are going to have Speedtech lights. They are very bright, very, very bright. As you can see on the camera, the glare is just ridiculous. But it's okay. I like it. Well, it's just the camera anyway. But there you is, YouTube. I hope you like it. I put a lot of time, money, and work into my car. And she's about done. And then I can start on the next car. But I want to give y'all a night video, updated video of what's done to her. And many more things to come. I still have to do the siren, PA system, the microphone, and get her painted. But this is it. Until next video. Until next time. Y'all stay safe, stay prayed up, stay blessed. Give God first. Put God first. Give all glory and thanks to God and y'all and Jesus Christ. But until next time, I will see you next video. Y'all be safe. I'm out.